Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Xiaomi 17 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Today, we're diving into the fiercest specs battle. Which phone boasts the superior display with stunning resolution and brightness? How do their powerhouse Snapdragon chips compare in raw performance? Can the Xiaomi's triple Leica camera setup outshine Samsung's massive 200 MP sensor? What about battery life and build quality? Does the Xiaomi's massive 6300 mAh trump Samsung's sleek titanium frame? And finally, which phone's unique features give it the edge in real-world use? Stick around, because by the end, you'll ask yourself, is the Xiaomi 17 Pro redefining flagship standards, or is the Galaxy S25 Edge still the king of innovation? Let's get into it. The Xiaomi 17 Pro sports a slightly smaller 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a dazzling 3500 nits peak brightness and Dolby Vision support, including a unique secondary 2.7-inch rear display for notifications and quick interactions, perfect for multitasking and style. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Edge offers a larger 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X panel with higher resolution and a more immersive 92.1% screen-to-body ratio. The Xiaomi's innovative secondary screen and ultra-high brightness make it a standout for users who want both functionality and eye-popping visuals. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 17 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with an octa-core CPU clocked up to 4.61 GHz and the latest Adreno 840 GPU, promising blistering speed and graphics performance. The Galaxy S25 Edge uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite as well, but with a slightly different 7-core CPU configuration and Adreno 830 GPU. The extra CPU cores and higher clock speeds in the Xiaomi give it a clear edge for multitasking and gaming power. When it comes to cameras, Xiaomi 17 Pro's triple setup with a 50MP wide, 50MP periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and 50MP ultra-wide with TOF sensor offers incredible versatility and detail, especially with its advanced OIS and dual-pixel PDAF. Samsung counters with a staggering 200MP main sensor that captures immense detail, but with a simpler 12MP ultra-wide lens. The Xiaomi's multiple focal lengths and advanced sensors make it the more flexible shooter for creative photography. Xiaomi's partnership with Leica brings a Summilux optical lens, laser autofocus, and a Lighthunter 950L sensor that dramatically improves low-light performance and dynamic range up to 16.5 EV. Plus, the Magic Back screen adds a new dimension to photography. Samsung offers multi-directional PDAF and AI-powered zoom, but lacks the Leica-level optics and advanced sensor tech. This makes Xiaomi's camera features more compelling for photography enthusiasts. Battery life is a clear win for Xiaomi, with a massive 6300 mAh Li-on battery, promising longer usage and less frequent charging compared to Samsung's 3900 mAh. For power users, that's a game-changer in daily endurance. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge boasts a premium build with Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 front, Gorilla Victus 2 back, and a titanium frame, offering superior durability and a sleek feel. Xiaomi uses Dragon Crystal Glass front and fiber back with an aluminum frame, which is stylish but less robust than Samsung's ceramic and titanium combo. For those who prioritize rugged elegance, Samsung takes the crown here. Both phones offer high RAM and storage options, but Xiaomi pushes the envelope with configurations up to 1 TB storage and 16 GB RAM, while Samsung caps at 512 GB and 12 GB RAM. This makes Xiaomi the better choice for users needing massive storage and multitasking capabilities. Xiaomi packs in ultra-wideband support, AI real-time translation, and a vapor chamber cooling system with 4637mm surface area, plus that unique Magic Back screen for enhanced usability. Samsung counters with Galaxy AI tools like Nowbar and Drawing Assist, Pro Visual Engine for nightography, and a super thin 5.8mm profile. The Xiaomi's combination of cutting-edge connectivity and cooling tech gives it an innovative edge in everyday performance.